Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to copy the link of a video on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The process recently changed with the latest update, so if things look a little different on your screen, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step, nice and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're using the desktop version through your browser, that works just as well. Give it a moment to load, and once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll land right on your main feed where you can scroll through posts, updates, and of course, videos. Next, find the video you want to share. It could be a funny clip, a news highlight, or anything catching your attention. Take a second to make sure it's the exact video you want to copy the link from, because the link will take anyone who clicks it straight to that specific post. Now, look directly underneath the video. You'll see a row of icons, like comment, repost, and share. Click on the share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing upward out of a box. This is where the magic happens. After clicking the share icon, a small pop-up menu will appear with a few different options for sharing. You'll see choices like send via direct message, share post via, and of course the one we want, copy link. Go ahead and click copy link. Just like that, the link has been copied to your clipboard. You won't see a big confirmation message, but it's there and ready to use. You can now paste it anywhere, send it in a message, share it on another platform, or even save it for later. On most devices, you can paste by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. And that's it. You've just copied the link of a video on X using your PC. Simple, quick, and perfect for sharing your favorite moments with friends or followers. If this helped you out, don't forget to check out more quick how-tos for the latest app updates and digital tips.